Oh hey, I just got back from the market. Come with me, I'm going to give you a studio tour. Now, studio life is pretty hectic. We could be doing photo shoots, filming, every day is different. And the one thing I can rely on are my Panasonic appliances. So my studio is fully decked out and everything I have here helps me efficiency-wise, time-wise, energy-wise. Let me show you around and I'll tell you all about it. This is Julie, my prep chef.
That's right.
That's all right. Now, I can smell bread. So before we do anything, let's go down. We'll find the bread maker and have some breakfast. Now, this is the studio where we film, but more on that later. I am coming in here because it smells so good.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Sheree, what are you having?
I'm having some seed and raisin toast.
Oh, yum. Now, this is what I can smell though. This is the batch that Julie must have popped in last night. How cool is it the bread cooks itself?
Oh,
overnight?
it's so awesome. I love it.
And there's also 30 functions. Sheree, you would have tasted some of these.
Yes.
Yes, you have. There's wheat, whole wheat, brioche, sourdough and pizza in here as well one day. I think we made a cake too.
Oh, we did too.
Yeah, and we churned butter in there as well.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I really liked that episode. That was really fun.
Yeah, the butter came out well.
It really did, didn't it? I was
yeah.
really excited about it.
Same.
Yeah.
I love my butter.
Me too. Me too. Obviously.
Gotta have butter and bread.
All right, see you later, Sheree.
See ya.
And now we're into the studio kitchen. This is the real workhorse. And let me say that this particular model of Panasonic microwaves is my real workhorse as well. I love this one. It's a multi-function microwave oven. I baked, grilled, steamed, done so many things. I made the most amazing pizza in this microwave oven actually. And today I made the guys some roast chicken for lunch. Now, one of my energy saving tips actually, whether you're at home or in a work environment, is if you can use a smaller appliance to do the job, like roasting this chicken, then you don't need to heat up a big massive oven to do the job. So, all very good, making things more efficient, more energy saving, time saving, love all of that. Now let's head up to the prep kitchen because Julie's prepping up there and we're gonna make risotto in a rice cooker today. So let's see what's going on. Every office studio needs an office dog. Hello, Arctic. So cute. Hi Julie, what have we got going on?
Hi Marianne, today's mushroom risotto.
Oh, I love this one. Oh, when we were testing, I was so excited about how easy it was.
It is so amazing.
I know, just the one button and the risotto comes out. So good. All right. Okay, so the other thing that Julie needs up here, because Julie does a lot of the hard work behind the scenes, is she obviously needs really good appliances. Now, one of those appliances is our microwave here. Now, this one is great because it has beautifully flat interior, which just wipes clean just like that. If you're a mum, you know what I'm talking about, right? Like you want things to be easy to clean, and this one is. The other thing that a lot of people don't know about microwaves is this, inverter technology. So your regular microwave will have heat that just shuts off and on. So it goes up and down, but with the inverter technology, you actually have heat that can go in a more sort of like moderate function like that. The point is that the inverter technology gives you more even heat so you don't get those hot spots that you get with other microwaves. It's like, you know, all the Panasonic appliances always have some great technology behind them, which I always really appreciate. Now, the other thing that has great technology that I could not live without is my dream fridge, and that is over here. Don't we love this, Julie? This is our quad door. Now what I love about this fridge is, well actually there's a few things. One is our fresh safe drawer. So Julie, as you know, we need to keep everything fresh for so much longer when we're filming, and of course at home as well. You don't want your vegetables getting all soggy before you can use them. So herbs and vegetables stay beautifully crisp and lovely in our fresh safe. And then the other two drawers, the Prime Fresh drawers, are great because you can actually set the temperatures to what you would like. Now, one function that I really love and we use a lot is what's called soft freezing. So when we bring home our fresh meats or seafoods, we can set the temperature lower so we can soft freeze the meats and seafood so they last longer. So Julie does the shop on Monday and we still have fresh seafood on, you know, at the end of the week. It's great. Okay, I think it's time we go and make our risotto. now it's time to actually do the filming. That's what we've been preparing for. And here is my other prep chef, my mum, Mama Noi.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you for doing my herbs.
For your herb.
It looks beautiful.
Look beautiful.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to start filming soon, so you go sit down.
Okay. Bye.
I'll call you when the
Bye.
risotto is ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
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 Bye. The long goodbye. I've got my Panasonic rice cooker that I'm using for filming today, and the great thing about my Panasonic rice cookers really is the technology. I'm often talking about technology when it comes to these appliances because it's always a game changer. A lot of rice cookers will just have like a mechanical set time for rice. My Panasonic rice cookers have what's called fuzzy logic, and that means that it can adjust temperature and times according to what's happening in the rice cooker and different types of rice, making sure it's always perfectly cooked. So we're all prepped and ready to go. I can't wait to do this recipe. Now you can find this recipe and the video and loads of other recipes I've made with my Panasonic appliances on the Panasonic website. So do please check it out. And we're gonna get filming. So thank you very much for joining me on my studio tour.